Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
Doesn't get better than this, folks. Customer states vehicle grinds whenever braking. It gets better. Oh yeah.
Customer attempted to do their own fix on their motorcycle exhaust.
So a couple of days ago I got a code on my car that I've got a vacuum leak, and it's normally quite hard to spot on these because it's all under there, but I reckon I found it. I reckon I found it. Look at the f***ing state of that.
Found what was causing that rattling noise. Anyone order some oil with their water?
Delicious. Fresh spring water. Naturally filtered through 4 liters of Chrysler. 6 in a row, ready to tow.
Customer states, my truck died, won't start, and has a possible oil leak. I think we found the issue.
Is a convenient storage case for your frame. Here, you just seal it back up and you don't need the rest of it.
I guess the catalytic converter thieves took this sticker as a challenge. These types of cat protectors have recently been proven to be pretty useless and overpriced, so might be a good idea to try a different one. Hemi Mini Cooper rolled in that, unfortunately, doesn't actually have a Hemi engine in it. Frozen front diff oil does not work so well.
Here she is, the total carnage. That's what's going on in there. That's what happened. Holy sh**. And it's hard to tell, you can't really see it, but well, there's a crack in the block too on the inside area there. Yeehaw!
Customer states, just had emergency lights and GMRS radio installed. Guess the wires needed to breathe. Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.